How to find people near you on Snapchat. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can find people near you on Snapchat. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Snapchat app. Next, in the bottom left hand corner, click on where it says map. And here, if you zoom out or zoom in, you can see it shows your location on the app. So I'm there in Sydney. So if you want to find somewhere near you, just zoom into where you are and you can see people who are near you. And I'll show you how that works. If I just scroll in or zoom in. So I want to zoom in this area if I was in here. These red dots are actually stories that people have posted on Snapchat. So you can click on them and it will show you the story. And so you can do that. You can zoom into where you are and then you can find people who have posted stories on Snapchat near you. And that's all it takes to find people near you on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.